Welcome to our journey through the enchanting world of honey. Today, we're uncovering intriguing truths about one of nature's sweetest offerings.
Did you know that honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible.
Honey has unique antibacterial properties. It can inhibit the growth of certain bacteria, making it a natural remedy for wounds.
There are over 300 types of honey in the United States alone, each with distinct flavors, colors, and properties, depending on the flowers visited by the bees.
Bees generally create honey from the nectar of around 2 million flowers to produce just 1 pound of honey.
Honey has a low moisture content, which helps prevent it from spoiling and acts as a natural preservative.
The color of honey varies from pale yellow to dark amber, influenced by the nectar source and the processing method.
Honey is a source of energy, containing about 64 calories per tablespoon. It's often used as a natural energy booster.
The word honey comes from the Old English word honig, which is related to the German Honig and Dutch Honing.
It takes a bee their entire lifetime to make just 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey.
Honey's chemical composition makes it a natural humectant, which means it helps retain moisture, making it an excellent ingredient in skincare products.
Did you know that honey can be classified into 2 main types? Raw honey is unprocessed and retains all its natural nutrients, while processed honey has been filtered and heated.
Honey can vary in flavor dramatically based on the floral source. For instance, clover honey is light and mild, while buckwheat honey is dark and robust.
Bees communicate with each other primarily through dance, directing other bees to floral sources. This waggle dance can also influence honey production areas. The antioxidant levels in honey can improve overall health. Darker honey tends to have more antioxidants compared to lighter varieties.
In ancient Greece, honey was considered a gift from the gods, often used in sacred rituals and offerings.
Honey can be used as a natural preservative in many recipes, extending the shelf life of fruits and baked goods.
In addition to its sweetening qualities, honey is a popular ingredient in cocktails, adding depth and flavor to drinks.
Honey contains trace amounts of vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins and vitamin C, contributing to its nutritional profile.
Honey can help soothe a sore throat or cough due to its viscous nature and antibacterial properties, making it an excellent natural remedy.
Did you know that some honey varies in texture based on its processing? For example, whipped or creamed honey is aerated to create a smooth, spreadable consistency. Honey is often used in baking, enhancing the moisture and flavor of breads, cookies, and cakes.
In certain cultures, honey is also believed to have mystical properties, featuring in various folklore and traditional medicine practices.
Despite its sweetness, honey has a lower glycemic index compared to sugar, suggesting it may not raise blood sugar levels as quickly.
Bees play a crucial role in pollination, and honey contributes to the biodiversity of plants and ecosystems.
The sweet life, whether drizzled over pancakes or used in salad dressings, honey enhances dishes with a unique touch.
Honey contributes significantly to the agricultural economy, with beekeeping creating income for many small farmers globally.
Honey tasting, similar to wine tasting, can be a delightful experience, revealing the complex flavors and aromas of different honey types.
Interestingly, some honey can crystallize over time, but that doesn't mean it's bad. Crystallized honey is still delicious and can be warmed to liquefy.
And there you have it. The mesmerizing world of honey holds countless wonders. Keep enjoying this golden liquid while savoring its rich history and remarkable benefits.